Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we'll unbox and review 49mm 4K variable ND filter for Canon 50mm lens. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. On this filter, there are two main indications, one is maximum and another is minimum. In between them, there are 10 dots, so you can adjust your filter according to the light requirements. When the filter is placed at minimum, then maximum light will enter into a lens. And when the filter is set at maximum, then less light will pass through the filter and enter into a lens. Now I will detach the UV filter from the lens and attach this ND filter. The filter is set at maximum position and you can see this is totally dark. And now if we adjust it to the minimum position, you can see more contents are visible. Now you can see the differences with and without ND filter. After seeing this comparison, you may think you do not need this ND filter, but actually you need it for daylight shoots. Now you can see the differences in the image quality while changing the ND filter levels. And this is a side-by-side comparison of those photos. Now you can see the differences in video quality when we change the ND filter levels. So if you do not use this ND filter, there will be plenty of lights that blend into your lens and you will not get a clear video content. You need this filter especially for portrait images or video in daylight. For portrait, you need more focus on the subject and blurry background. Even if you increase the aperture or maximize the shutter speed, less light will enter into your lens. But with this setting, the problem is that the background is also in focus, so you will not get your desired result. Therefore, I prefer ND filter in daylight because it focuses on the object and blurred the backgrounds as well as smoother, giving you a refined portrait image quality.